boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Drunkard in Patagonia. Today we are in Pampa Linda outside of Bariloche, and we are going up to Refugio Otto Meiling on top of Cerro Tronador. So this is a continuation of the Cinco Lagunas hike. I stayed in Pampa Linda last night and decided to keep going. So we're going up to the mountains. We do not have good weather looking forward. So, you know, it's not all sunshine and rainbows out here. So, you know, that's part of what this channel is about, to show you guys the struggles that we have. So we're gonna get on the trail and get to it, boys and girls. Cheers. And it's gonna be a doozy today because yesterday was the Super Bowl and I had a little too much fun watching the Patriots lose. So yeah, time to sweat out all this alcohol. You know, I'm drinking another one, and this is my go-go juice. So yeah, let's sweat this alcohol out. Let's fucking conquer this mountain, baby. Let's go. So what I remember about this trail is it's fucking boring until you get to the top. We're just traveling on a fucking access road right now, and it's like that for most of the way. And then you kind of go over a bend and then up a mountain. So we're gaining about 1,000 meters of altitude. But it's a pretty boring trek until you get to the top. But once you get to the top, you guys will see it is amazing. It's one of my favorite refugios in the areas. Just beautiful. You're on top of, not on top, but you're on the side of Cerro Tronador, which is the highest mountain in Patagonia. So yeah. Just walking along a road right now, but it is what it is. So after like 7 kilometers of access road, you hit a bunch of switchbacks. And then from here, we'll head up the mountain once we get over these switchbacks. These things aren't fun, that's for sure. The end of the switchbacks. Thank God. All right, we're heading up there. You can see like a little antenna up there. Weather held up nice, but tomorrow's supposed to be shitty. All right, boys and girls, we made it. Refugio Otto Meiling. Got the glacier right there. Can't see the top of Tronador because of the clouds. Hopefully it'll clear up, but we are here. All right, we got the tent set up, camp's all set up. Yeah, beautiful view. It's like 4 o'clock, 4:30, so I'm gonna get some lunch and chill out. The Refugio did say that some weather's coming in, so said it's supposed to start tonight and rain all day tomorrow. So hiking out of here is going to be fun, but that's just the name of the game. So yeah, not a too bad of a hike up here. First 7 kilometers is just an access road, and then you start, there's some switchbacks, and then you start heading up the mountain. But yeah, beautiful spot up here. Got the glacier behind me, the Refugio there. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So I had to improvise a little bit with the tent. This is a rocky place, and this tent, the footprint is pretty big. So these sites are pretty small. So this place, it's probably better to bring a freestanding tent. So couldn't get a stake in there, so I had to big rock, little rocket, and then this is the only stake I could get in. There's a stake in here, but it came loose. Had to put some rocks on it, and then here couldn't get a stake there as well. So yeah, this you know, we're on a mountain, so it's probably best to bring a freestanding tent here. But you can make it work. You know, it is windy, so yeah. But we are going to get some weather rolling in here for sure. And there's only one other campers here, which is cool. Last time I stayed up there, and I tried to go up there again, and there's a sign saying don't go past that point. So she told me to camp where the numbers are, so I'm being a good little camper. I'm in number 10, and I don't like camping next to people, so I came up here, set my tent here, and yeah, saw the fucking most amazing sunset from here. Today I don't think we're gonna get any sunset because of the clouds. We got another glacier over there. That's the glacier you got to walk across to get to Refugio Roca. Refugio Roca is only like 4 kilometers away from here, so it must be somewhere there over the ridge. But yeah, I mean, I could probably make it across that glacier with some crampons, but better safe than sorry. I didn't want to pay a guide. Guides are like 150 bucks a day, so yeah. Yeah, this is Refugio Otto Meiling. Cool spot. Cleared up a little bit. Can almost see the peak. But yeah, we got some dark clouds all the way around. Can't always be perfect. Ain't all sunshine, rainbows, and waterfalls. Fucking tent is getting beat up right now. All right, we gotta pack up, man. This is fucking bad. Shit, my tent's getting destroyed. Good morning, boys and girls. It's like 7 in the morning, and yeah, hopefully it calms down a little bit so I can pack up. This shit sucks. All right, boys and girls, we are packed up. It's fucking snowing. The wind is fucking horrendous. I got some damage to my tent. Something I could probably fix, but yeah, man, that wind was intense. It's cold. Snow's coming down. I was gonna chill up here until like noon, but I'm not hanging out in this fucking war zone. So I'm gonna go chill in the Refugio for a little bit. That's why these things exist, to protect you from the weather. So yeah, nice rude awakening. At least it didn't happen in the middle of the night. 7 o'clock in the morning is not too bad, but yeah, man, welcome to Patagonia, baby. Much better in here. All right, heading down. Still snowing. Warmed up a little bit in the Refugio. Right, let's get out of this war zone. See you at the bottom. Rainbows and waterfalls, baby. It ain't always rainbows and waterfalls, but sometimes it is. It's a double rainbow. Ah. All right, now the snow has turned to rain. So I got my rain jacket on. We're heading down. We're off the mountain for the most part. We're gonna go down the switchbacks and then we're gonna hit the access road. So we're doing good. I just didn't want to stay up there too long and have the snow accumulate, because there's all kinds of volcanic rock up on that mountain. But it gets slippery when it snows, so wanted to get off. And yeah, I want a hot meal too. Eat me a hamburger or a Milanesa. Driving back to Pampa Linda. It's been a miserable day. It's been snow up top, rain all the way down, but we made it. And this concludes the trip. I'll be back in 2 weeks, going to El Chalten and Ushuaia. So got some good hikes planned out there. So we will see you then, fellas and ladies.